Iriomote cats are now considered a subspecies of the leopard cat. Their habitat range is restricted to the Japanese island of Iriomote, but they will claim beaches, swamps, low hills, and rivers as their territory. These house cat-sized felines feature dark coats with white spots and golden eyes. These multi-talented cats can swim and scale trees. 1 to 4 kittens are birthed in tree or rock hollows. Iriomote cats are facing many threats. For one, the Icelanders consider the feline's flesh to be delicious. Also, their habitat is being turned into roads, cities, and farms. The Iriomote cats also mate with stray domestic cats, producing hybrid offspring. Wild house cats compete with the Iriomote cats for food, territory, and mates. However, their largest threat is that they are found on only one island, making their population less genetically diverse and restricted in terms of habitat. If something were to destroy the island of Iriomote, these endemic felines would be gone forever.